So we are starting everything off this morning with that ruling in Arizona by the Arizona Supreme Court upholding a Civil War era abortion law that criminalizes the procedure with barely any exceptions. The law states, quote, a person who provides, supplies, or administers to a pregnant woman any medicine, drugs, or substance, or uses any instruments with intent to procure the miscarriage of such woman, unless it is necessary to save her life, shall be punished by imprisonment. The decision comes just one day after former President Donald Trump shared his abortion stance, saying that it should be left up to the state to decide. And within hours of Arizona's ruling, the Biden campaign was increasing ad spending across the state and announced that Vice President Harris will visit Tucson Friday for an event focused on reproductive freedom. This could have a big political implications, in what's likely to be a swing state come November. Abortion rights advocates say that they have collected enough signatures to put the issue on the ballot. CBS News campaign reporter Shawna Mizelle is joining us now to talk a little bit more about this. This is a really big deal. When could we see the law go into effect, though, and what kind of pushback can we expect when it comes to actually enforcing it?
Anne-Marie, good morning. That exact question has been the cause of confusion and conflicting answers coming from Arizona officials. So that Supreme Court ruling yesterday said that this law could be enforced in 14 days. They said they would put a stay on this, but only for 14 days, 2 weeks from the day that the ruling dropped. But you had Arizona Senate Democrats Senate Republicans, at the state level saying 60 days is when we'll actually see this able to be enforced. Katie Hobbs' office, the Arizona governor, her team telling CBS yesterday that there is still some clarity that is not there as to when this will be enforced. And as for how it could be enforced, you had the Attorney General there saying that she will not pursue prosecutions related to this. But all of this is something we will continue to be following in the days and weeks to come.
So, this issue, it's not just igniting voters there, sort of across the country, we're seeing things happening. You're in North Carolina today, where women impacted by abortion bans, they are campaigning for Biden. Tell us about, what their message is and what they're hoping to communicate to voters.
So these two women that will be in North Carolina, they're starting their day in Durham, heading to Winston-Salem, and ending the day in Charlotte. They'll be meeting with healthcare providers and doing roundtables, but both of these women were impacted by restrictive abortion bans, and they plan on sharing their personal stories and really acting as surrogates for the Biden campaign here in North Carolina, which we know is a crucial battleground state as we look ahead to November's presidential election.
Yeah, just one of many states where we may potentially see abortion questions on the ballot in November. Shawna, thank you very much.